Okay, so the next area is just not considering alternative business forms, and there are a lot of different forms, and in some types of transactions, the course of dealing within the industry militates in favor of particular forms. If you're in the oil and gas patch, you're going to be using limited partnerships because that's how oil and gas companies, structure their investments. If you're dealing with cruise ships, jumbo jets, or large aircraft and their engines, you're going to be using what Delaware calls a statutory trust, and the only reason that you're using that is that's just how that industry has grown up over the years, and that's the form that they use. So you want to consider what the other options are. I think in most cases, unless your client is playing in the cruise ship business or in oil and gas patch, you're probably going to start out with an LLC with the client. Even you get the people coming and say, well, we want to do an IPO. Well, that's fine and dandy, but most underwriters will want the company to be a corporation when they do an underwriting for their IPO. But fortunately, under Delaware law and probably in most other state laws, you can convert between forms of entity. You can start out with an LLC and simply file a certificate of conversion and a certificate of incorporation, and by legal magic, the LLC that you had formed is now a corporation for all purposes, and has as its date of formation or date of incorporation the original date of formation of the LLC. I've listed just some pros and cons, but I think basically the pros kind of outweigh the cons on this.